Hello, engineers, developers, and friends. I am Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and I am here in our booth at Embedded World North America in Anaheim, California. That's booth number 2029. If you're here at the show, you ought to come down and visit us. Right now, I'm in our DevZone, where we are showcasing some of the greatest and best dev boards, dev kits, and development platforms anywhere in the embedded industry. And I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what you're going to be able to check out here at the show. We have Everfocus and their EAR 100T, which is a high-performance robotic controller, and it's accelerated by NVIDIA Jetson 4, which is one of their newest platforms. So you should come down and check this out. We've also got Pantherun's Pepper open source FPGA development kit. And if you've been paying attention at all, you know how important and hot FPGA is right now. So if you're thinking about getting involved, the Pepper is a great way to do that. Here we've got the Advantech AIR-055 Edge AI inference system. Inference is the whole secret to AI success these days, and Advantech is one of the leaders in the space, so make sure you check that out while you're here at the show. Infineon's PSOC Edge E84 series evaluation kit gets you a chance to take a look at the Edge E84. It's a hardware evaluation platform for rapid prototyping, and of course, as you know, time to market is the whole secret sauce. So you don't want to miss out on taking a look at this great board. We've got our Synaptics Astra SL series, which is the latest processor and dev kit now available in the Synaptics Astra AI native IoT compatible platform. It's really exciting. It's got a lot going on in terms of I/O and power, so you don't want to miss that from Synaptics. And here's the Sealevel Intel Core i5 Flexio fanless industrial embedded computer. As you can see, this is rugged for any environment and ready to go with all the I/O that you're going to need. All of this is available here at the DevZone, and if you come and visit us here at Embedded World North America in Anaheim anytime this week while the show's going on, you can fill out our scavenger hunt, visit a bunch of the great companies that are happening here, and get a chance to win one of the 1,000 Pico 2 from Raspberry Pi boards that we are going to be giving away. And I know you folks out there want to play with these, so come on down and get your chance to get one. In the meantime, I'm going to go take a look at the rest of the show, and I hope you do too. I'm Ken Briodagh with Embedded Computing Design, and we'll see you again real soon.